Hey, welcome back to my channel. Expat Rebel Chris here, and we're having a vivero, a garden center, deliver a bunch of plants. As I just showed you some, and we have this little potting area here. So we're going to stage them here, so we want them in pots. Let's put this here out. This is a future project right here. Gonna whitewash that. But here's our potting area. So we got a sink with nice running water and tons of pots. They bring in dirt, right? Yeah, so they got some dirt coming, and we're going to pot a lot of these and stick them in the house and on the patio areas. This is cement because we're actually having our kitchen remodeled, or actually created from scratch as well. And in fact, they're working on it as we speak upstairs on that. But let me walk over to the pool and show you what's going on. It's a busy day here, so we got our maid here, our food cleaner here as well. And Telmex came over today. It's people that give us our internet, and fixing one of our modems. We got two lines, which is thank goodness, because one's been down for 2 months. So we got that happening today. So we got some of the plants here, are right here. Pothos, this spear we had. These are going to go into ground cover. So we want to stick some here and over there, and most of it along the edge here. The pool goes down a little bit. We have it clean because he has a vacuum. We have a vacuum system and he's using it. So a lot of that goes out there. But this is where we're going to be putting our plants, ground cover, but mostly in pots on this round plants that we're getting. This first round like this. Gotten some plants in town, specifically these, as we were just leaving big city of Merida. But this time we've actually had the vivero ring out a bunch at once. Probably $600 worth of pots and plants are coming out. So we're going to put these in place, and I'm going to work on that. And I'll be right back with final results of this first batch of plants. And all right, so we started placing some pots just to get a feel of it. And these are haven't fully planted in. We already had that one. So this is new. And on this one, they did plant. It looks pretty black. And of course, one of my favorite plants is Monstero. So we got two of them with here on the patio and over here. We're going to experiment in being here. They don't really like a lot of wind, but we're pretty far away from the ocean back here with this patio area, so I think it'll be fine. And the pothos are going to be used to surround some other pots. We still got that pot, that pot, a couple more things to plant. It's going well. And we still got 3 big palm trees, pretty good size, probably 8 feet tall here, that we're going to put in place as well. They haven't quite brought up. 2 are palms, and this one I don't actually know what it's called, but it's got flowers. So that's going to be fun. All right, so we're having a couple of palm trees in our bedroom, which is on the top floor, and they're repotting them and getting it all set up here in the balcony before placing it here in Lawrence. Over there in the corner, still unpacking some stuff, but that's where it's going to be. All right, so I had them bring the palm trees that we wanted in our bedroom up, and we had them placed. So here's what they're looking like. Just the corner. Have some greenery in the house. We got plenty of palm trees outside. Look at that. The ocean is right there. I almost can't even see it because of the amount of palm trees. So yeah, there's the waves right there. Okay, but we want them in the bedroom as well. When I used to live in San Diego, I did this. It was really great. Now we're still unpacking, so excuse the mess a little bit. But we have some boxes where we're still unpacking. But we got this. It's going to move into the corner also, so we don't want it blocking the air conditioning. But we got that in the corner. And then we'll probably stick a painting here. We just bought some and haven't placed them. When there are concrete walls like this, which is, of course, really common and exclusively down here in Mexico because of termites and bugs and whatnot, putting a painting up is actually a little hard because you have to get special hardware. You got to get a special drill, apparently, and to actually stick it in place. So we got that. And we're pretty good. A setup, actually. This is the office nook that I did a video some time ago about in use. This is right off the bedroom. And so it's great. We got internet up here, fiber optics actually, and now both this one and the one downstairs are both working. We have a mesh network, which is actually one of these little guys. We have 4 of these that allowed us to spread the internet around the entire house because it is made out of concrete. These routers only work on one level, and you can go one level down, it doesn't show up. So mesh network was really necessary to do. I'm gonna go back downstairs and I'm gonna show you some of the other things they just finished. Okay, so some of the plants we stuck in this little contained place. I'm just leaving them in the pots that they came with and to try it out. We'll see what you like. Bougainvilleas, of course, which we love.
If they're protected enough from the salt wind.
Yeah, the ocean's like right over there, but here it's protected. We think it's protected enough to be able to handle this here, which would be nice. The ocean's right there. So I think it's protected enough, tucked away back here to do well.
Then if we like it, we'll take the sand and we'll put it.
Yep. And what we also had them do is great. Hiring this Vivero to bring the stuff out, and then they pot everything for you and move these things up 2 stories and everything like that. But we have these flower things, and so we had them stick the golden pothos in them here as well. And so we're gonna give that a try. These plants are hardy, so they'll probably do well. Thank you for watching my video. Please hit subscribe to the channel. Would love that. Leave a comment if you got any questions or comments about this video. And hey, make sure you hit that bell notification so you get notified when I come out with new videos. And hey, why not join the expat newsletter? An email comes out every week over at expatrebel.com. You'll learn about becoming an expat, being an expat, and even traveling the world. Yeah, go over to expatrebel.com to sign up for that. See you guys next time. Bye.